Hi, SOC.OS community. Hope you're well and safe. Welcome to the August 2021 release and upgrade. Really excited to dive into the tool and show you the latest changes and improvements. So first up, we have advanced search, which is massive. Up until now, the main mechanism for searching through your data has been to use these search chips up the top here, which the SOC.OS team creatively call basic search mode. So we felt it appropriate to call the next iteration of this capability advanced search, which is a query language based on a Lucene-like syntax. Simply press the advanced button that you see here at the top right of the tool, and you'll see this basic query convert into advanced query equivalent. So clicking on that reveals it there for you. And in fact, that's a top tip. So toggling between the basic search mode to the advanced search mode and vice versa is an effective way of training and familiarizing yourself with this new language and syntax. So dive in and give it a go. Of course, users can edit this query when in advanced mode, which means you now have a much more flexible and richer investigation capability within the tool. So just to give you a quick example, I'm going to look for a tag. It's also predictive, so I'm going to go to my tags here. I'm going to show me the alerts and the clusters that have this sensitive web server tag. I'm going to update that there, and it's going to filter the cluster queue accordingly. And you can flick to the basic, and you'll see the basic search chips update accordingly. To learn more about how to use this, the advanced search in greater detail, please go to the wiki and read all the relevant documentation. Next up, I'm going to show you some of the improvements we've made to the UI. So namely, the alert histogram and clusters load quicker than the Aussies in the pool, so unbelievably fast. You can also toggle between hour mode, day mode, week, and month view. So this aims to make your investigations more effective and efficient. Ultimately, it shortens the time to reason, or I like to call it the time to reach that aha moment. And finally, we've added one new tool to our compatible devices list, which is Microsoft Advanced Threat Analytics. And I've upgraded the parsers for FortiOS, Cylance, and Palo Alto Next-Gen Firewall based on some customer feedback. Thanks to those users who have helped us here, and please do give our support team a shout if you have these tools or if you have any additional ones that you want to integrate with SOC.OS, and we'll happily sort this for you. That's it for this release. We hope you love the upgrades, especially the advanced search as much as we do. And as ever, please keep providing your product feedback to ensure that SOC.OS's capability continues to evolve and improve each time we release. Thank you and happy hunting.